How to change opacity of nodes in Fusion in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I added a media in and 2 merge nodes and a media out to the composition. Add a background node and attach it to the first merge node. To change the opacity of this background node, select it and in the inspector decrease its alpha. The alpha property works like the opacity of a background node only if the background color is black. If I change the background color, the alpha is not working properly like the opacity of this node. There is another way we can change the opacity of a node, and it is by using a mask node. Add a rectangle mask and attach it to the merge node. Select the rectangle node and decrease the level property, and the opacity of the background will change properly. We also can change the opacity of a node by using a merge node. Select the merge node and change the blend value. This way the opacity of the background will change as well. Now add a text plus and attach it to the merge node. We can adjust the opacity of a text node by using the merge node or by the text node itself. After typing a text, click on the Shading tab, and under Properties, change the opacity. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.